Traders, August 31st, 2018, after the market close. It's a Friday, last trading day of the month. We have a 3-day weekend coming up. Labor Day is on Monday. Found a few stocks that I think, actually, we've been watching a few stocks that I think is going to do really well coming in next week. Just in general, traders will be back. I believe there's going to be a lot more volume coming in after Labor Day, and it looks like a lot of stocks, penny stocks, that's what I'm watching right now in general, but it looks like a lot of penny stocks want to make their run in September. So let's take a look at CMPD, doing another trading report update on her. Provided a few trading reports so far for this Labor Day weekend. I'm posting on CMPD now, and possibly a few others moving forward. Just take a look, go to our site, thetradingteacher.com, and go to the trading reports section, and you'll see the latest reports that was posted today into the Labor Day weekend. So CMPD, what it did was it went up, broke the trend line. You see the trend line right here, and we've been watching her for, I think, around here. I said, hey, you know what, this is a buy. But tick down around maybe, I'm not sure the exact prices, but I said maybe 15, 17 cents. Went down a little lower than that, but been, trading around the 15, 17 cents level, which I like to see. And I honestly believe she's going to go higher. It looks like she created a long-term reversal. And see, look at that long-term reversal. Shoulder, head, well, shoulder, head, shoulder, broke the neckline. See this? So she's heading higher. It's very volatile. Anything positive news related will make her rip. But even if there is no news, based on the technical analysis and the trend, she will head higher on her own for now. And you can see the MAC histogram was negative and heading back positive. See right here, it peaked right here, right? The MAC histogram right here peaked. And you saw the downtrend. It started going negative and dropped to maybe as low as 12 cents at one point. I mean, you're talking about nearly double, right? It's 24 cents and dropped to as low as 12. So people, if they got in at the lows, they captured in at half the price of its highs. But it's at 17 cents and it's very volatile. I honestly believe she's going to rip. She's going to create a newer high, going to break above a quarter, and, do something spectacular. Can't give you a price range just because there's no price history on this stock. However, she is going higher, and as she does from time to time, I'll keep reviewing her. If I see that sellers are stepping in, I most likely will post it on Twitter. So follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. If you want to learn how to trade and learn the trading language, visit my site. Go to thetradingteacher.com. Review the live trading course section. It's interactive. It's all in real time, and I do execute orders as I educate individuals. So, join us. Book your seat.